how to withdraw money from ZLeap. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from ZLeap. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your ZLeap app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will redirect it to the home page. So once you have logged into your account, so if you want to withdraw your balance, so what you can do, you need to have an active account to do this. So make sure you have active account and also you have some balance. So if you click on your profile here on your top right, so go to your settings option to click on the gear here. So that takes you to the settings, and here under the wallet you will see your balance. So next to the balance you will see a cash out option here. So you need to click this cash out option, but this one will only be available if you have an active account and an active and sufficient balance to cash out. So since I don't have that, I don't have my cash on option here. So all you have to do is simply click on the cash out option and it will take you to verify your withdrawals. So you just need to verify it and you just have to follow a few on-screen prompts and get your complete the withdrawal. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from ZLeap. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.